Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy, Ricky Payne, and I'm outside KSC taking you inside KSC.
Preparations are continuing at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida for the agency's first crewed Artemis mission. The Orion crew module and its adapter are undergoing key testing and maintenance ahead of launch. Tube welds of the propulsion system and environmental control and life support systems will perform at the Florida spaceport. The first in a series of increasingly complex missions, Artemis 1 will test the Orion spacecraft and Space Launch System, or SLS, rocket as an integrated system prior to crewed missions to the moon. Artemis 2 will be a crewed flight of Orion aboard SLS that will orbit the moon. The United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket underwent a wet dress rehearsal at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station Space Launch Complex 41 in preparation for launch of NASA's Mars 2020 mission. The agency's Mars Perseverance rover is scheduled to lift off aboard the Atlas V on July 22nd. Developed under NASA Mars Exploration Program, the rover will search for signs of past microbial life. The agency's launch service program based at Kennedy is managing the launch. Kennedy Director Bob Cabana, along with the center's executive leadership team, came together to address vital issues affecting our communities. The Call for Unity listening session focused on issues affecting center diversity, inclusion, and engagement. As part of the town hall program, employees were encouraged to share comments, questions, and concerns. A replay of this video was made available to the entire Kennedy workforce.
For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.